guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this new ponytail that I'm wearing right here. So let's go ahead and get right into it. This is Neesha by Outre, and I'm wearing it in the color number 2. Welcome back to my channel. So tonight in this video, it is all about my new ponytail that I have to share with you, and this one's by Outre. It's from their Pretty Quick pony line, and this one's Neesha, and I have it in the color number 2, and she's 20 inches long in a loose curl. Okay, so this is what she looks like. I thought it was pretty cute online when I saw it, so I said, hey, that looks like something I can do. It looks cute for everyday wear. Not too long. It's not doing the most, but it's still glamorous enough. So yeah, I love a good glamorous ponytail. Like I said, I have this in the style Neesha, and I have it in the color number 2. Number 2 is what I normally go to as it pertains to my wigs and my ponytails. So yeah, let's go ahead and give it a try. I already have my mold done. Girl, this mold is like 2 weeks old. I just revamped it with a little more water and gel and tied it down. So hopefully, well, I know it's going to be decent enough for this, but yeah, we're going to go ahead and get into the install. Okay, so this is how it always looks. I just put my hair up into a ponytail, balled it up some, put some extra hair ties on it, and I'll do my pre-wrap. As you see right now, I don't have my pre-wrap done. So if you're not familiar with that, I'm going to show you quickly how I do that. So my gel is still wet, super wet. I might hit it with the blow dryer because I do have to go to work today. So this is the amount of braiding hair that I normally use. You can use as little as you want to add some more to this, okay? But I'm not. We're just going to use this. And yeah, I'm going to wrap it around the base of my ponytail. Okay. And I just start picking end to start from, and you just start wrapping it around. This is the way I like to do it. I try to avoid using hairpins. See what I just did? I just tucked that end down, pull it tight, and I just start wrapping the hair around. And you want to wrap it as neatly as you can. We want to make this look super good, super professional, okay? We want our at-home style to look like we went to a salon, girl. And that's all you do is just wrap it around. But keep it kind of neat and straightened out so that it lays flat. Then at the end, if you want to keep this up for a week or so, spray it with some freezing spray, and then hit it with a blow dryer for a few seconds. That's gonna lock your pre-wrap in place, girl. Now I got plenty of videos on that in my ponytail playlist. Now I've been doing this method for years now. Some of you are just now catching up to my ponytail videos, but girl, this works for me. It has been working for me ever since, honey. I have been wearing drawstring ponytails because the traditional way of connecting these just was not working for me. I cannot deal with those hairpins stabbing me in the head. I can't do it. So we're only going to use one pin, and I'm just going to pin it down. Make sure the pin is toward the back, or you could just blast this in place with your blasting spray. Some really strong gel will hold it in place. So you don't have to use hairpins at all for this hairstyle. And there you have it. This is what your pre-wrap looks like. Okay. So now we're ready to install our ponytail. Here it is. We're going to go ahead and get into it. Again, this is by Outre. The style is called Neesha. Now you can pick these up in your local beauty supply store or online. I like to shop online. I feel like I get better deals online, though I can find good deals in my local beauty supply store from time to time. But when I'm in a hurry, I will go to my local beauty supply store. But I'd rather order. Make sure the bottom comb is in place at the base of your ponytail, and you just pull the string, pull the drawstring, okay? This is going to tighten it up and secure the ponytail on your head. So this isn't going anywhere. Look at that. So cute. Girl, loving this ponytail. She's so fluffy. And I love that the hair has like a slight yucky texture to it. So cute. I love these style ponytails. Alright, so now what you're gonna do with the ends, you can cut it if you want. I just don't recommend cutting it because it kind of makes reinstalling the ponytail a headache, and taking it off kind of hard if you cut it, in my opinion. But you do what you feel that you need to do for yourself. But I'm just gonna tuck it back under the cap of the ponytail. That usually works for me. I just tuck it into the cap, find a little opening and tuck it under there, and voila, nobody knows that we're wearing a drawstring ponytail. That is so cute. And that's all you do. Alright guys, that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed this cute, easy, super quick ponytail by Outre. Again, this is Neesha. Let me show you the back before we go. But this is how it looks. It is 20 inches long in a loose curl. 20 inches long, a loose curl. Really, really nice. Perfect for everyday wear. Perfect for celebratory events. Just overall great ponytail to throw on. Super quick and easy. I love this one. Again, this is called Neesha and it's by Outre. Love it. Alright guys, that is it for me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. And there'll definitely be another video. Bye.